Catherine? Yes.
Well, what was the answer? She's thinking about it.
I'll get back to you on Monday. Oh my God!
Well,
it's hot in here. Is somebody?
Okay, you can put your cards away.
well, let me be, I guess, the first to give you my congratulations and to welcome Liz and Sophia into the family, although I feel like, you know, they're just almost a part of us already, so.
Did we hear an answer?
It's a wonderful thing, and that I think that marriage is a wonderful state. I think that you two are going to be very, very happy together.
Yeah, right here. I have a bottle of champagne somewhere, but I don't know if it's going to feed this many.
Oh, I know where it is.
Let's just get the children drunk. That'll be fine.